And hi folks, and welcome back. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'm with Andrew today, Healy, on a ride along, and we're doing a bit of hay tedding, as you can see in the back there. We've got his old man over the back. He's on the KC.
How do you feel today, Ray?
Me today, I feel about 85% because I'm a little worried over my pumpkins and squash. I walked over them yesterday and there wasn't very many growing, and I pick them in a month and a half's time, so not very good. So 85% for me. How are you feeling, Andrew?
90%?
90%. So he's feeling a lot better than he did the other day.
Yeah, I was very upset the other day.
Hey, what was you feeling the other day?
50%.
50%. Bloody hell, that is quite low. Oh, we got young Joe on the quad. So I'll get some footage of this, folks. So the demo is here, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice, isn't it?
There's not much to go wrong, is there?
No.
You're going to do a good deal, aren't you? The last 4 or 5 years. Yeah. How much warranty does it come with?
I don't know, it should be fast.
Yeah.
But the one bit up once you just get the
I know when we
again,
got
it's
to it
confidence,
last,
isn't it?
it was very simple design, wasn't it?
Yeah. You go over one bar,
Yeah.
down through another,
Yeah.
and up, over under it.
So that's just plastic wraps, isn't it?
Yeah. That should be a bit long. Continue. The knives are out.
Two pipes, isn't it?
Yeah.
2 pipes.
One for the door,
You
one
just put it into dump.
put it in dump, and then the other one does the pickup reel and the drop floor.
But you can operate it from in the cab.
Yeah. There's a handle in there,
Yeah.
but there's no need to reverse it. Just drop the floor down and then put the PTO back in and take over. That's it. It'll come down lower than that when it's got crop blocking it. It's only single acting, it's only the weight
Yeah,
pushing it down.
Yeah.
We've got it in dump now. Yeah, it'll come down lower.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then the grass goes straight through and in. And that's your knives here. Down there. That'll do half set. See him go up.
Yeah.
And that's back down. That way and that way.
Yeah.
Full or half. I mean, to be honest, I only know the chop with half in anyway, man. No, you want good shape, but not overweight.
The reason we have 3 foot ones is to get them through the side.
No, behind the door, is it? No,
The side door.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty simple, isn't it?
Simple. We'll get a bail out of it.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Stop your door.
My mother said I'm too romantic. She said you're dancing in the movie. I almost started to believe her. Then I saw you and I knew. Maybe it's 'cause I got a little bit older. Maybe it's all that I've been through. I'd like to think it's how you lean on my shoulder and how I see myself with you. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath and still the things I know. There you go, saving me from hell of a fire on fire. We're normally kiss with this much desire. Together we're winners. We say that we're out of control and some say we're sinners, but don't let them ruin our beautiful rhythms. 'Cause when you invoke me and tell me you love me, look in my eyes. You are perfection, my only direction. It's fire on fire. When we fight like I am. But then we love and feel the truth. We lose our minds in a city of roses. We won't abide by any rule. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath and still the thing I know. There you go, saving me from all of the fire on fire. We're normally kids with this much desire. Together we're winners. They say that we're out of control and some say we're sinners, but don't let them ruin our beautiful rhythms. 'Cause when you invoke me and tell me you love me, my eyes. You are perfection, my only direction. It's fire on fire. We're normally kids with this much desire. Together we're winners. They say that we're out of control and some say we're sinners, but don't let them ruin our beautiful rhythms. 'Cause when you invoke me and tell me you love me, my eyes. You are perfection, my only direction. It's fire on fire. My mother said I'm too romantic. She said you're dancing in the movie. I almost started to believe her. Then I saw you and I knew. Maybe it's 'cause I got a little bit older. Maybe it's all that I've been through. I'd like to think it's how you lean on my shoulder and how I see myself with you. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath and still the thing I know. There you go, saving me from hell of a fire on fire. We're normally kids with this much desire. Together we're winners. We say that we're out of control and some say we're sinners, but don't let them ruin our beautiful rhythms. 'Cause when you invoke me and tell me you love me, look in my eyes. You are perfection, my only direction. It's fire on fire. When we fight like I am. But then we love and feel the truth. We lose our minds in a city of roses.